In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a custom template from Clickfunnels. Let's start from your main Clickfunnels dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu there. Find and click on the option labeled Funnels. This is where all of your existing funnels live, and it's also where you'll go anytime you want to create a new one. Give it a second to load, and you should see a list of funnels if you've already created some, or an empty state if this is your first time. Next, we're going to create a new funnel so we can pick a template. On this page, look for the button that says Create Funnel. Go ahead and click that. This tells ClickFunnels you're starting a fresh funnel from scratch, and it will open up the funnel creation screen where you can choose the type of funnel you want. Now you'll see different funnel types organized into clear categories. This is really helpful because each funnel type is designed for a specific purpose. For example, you'll see lead funnels, which are designed for collecting emails and building your list. You'll see unboxing funnels, which are focused on selling products. There are presentation funnels, which work well for webinars, video sales letters, and product launches. You'll also see phone funnels, which are set up for applications and high-ticket offers where you might want a phone call booked. And finally, there's an other funnels category, which includes things like bridge funnels, survey funnels, hero pages, and more specialized layouts. Take a moment to think about your main goal. Are you trying to collect leads, sell a specific product, launch something new, or get people to book a call? Once you're clear on that, click on the funnel type that best matches your objective. If you're not sure, each funnel type usually comes with training sections you can watch. There's an overview section to explain the funnel's purpose, a strategy section to show you how to use it effectively, and an implementation section with step-by-step setup guidance. These are great if you want a bit more clarity before committing. After you've selected a funnel type, scroll down to browse the available templates within that category. Each template is a pre-designed version of the funnel with layouts and sections already built for you. When you find one that fits your brand or structure, click the Select Funnel button under that template. ClickFunnels will then install the template into your workspace. Give it a moment to complete. Once the installation finishes, you'll have two options. You can click Customize Now to open the workflow builder and start editing the pages right away, changing headlines, images, colors, and anything else you need. Or, if you're not ready to customize yet, click Close. The funnel will still be saved in your funnels list, so you can come back later, open it up, and continue customizing whenever you're ready.